Hello everyone! Today in front of us we have this cuckoo's clock, which is a quartz based cuckoo's clock. It's a bit of a weird one. It looks kinda like cheapish, but it's just the internals are pretty good from what I can see. But it's just that like they went for quite modern aesthetic, which is like, yeah, if that's something you like, why not? What is wrong with this clock at the moment is that the cuckoo part works, the bird comes out, the sound works. I don't know, there's this LED what that is supposed to do, but the watch hands don't move. So earlier when I put fresh batteries in there, I could see the hand trying to move, like basically jumping back and forth. It stopped doing that. I think there's like some kind of timer in there that if the hand hasn't moved after a certain amount of time, then it just stops putting power to the stepper motor. Not sure about that, but yeah, let's show the cuckoo in action. So the bird comes out, the sound is pretty good. A lot of the like quartz-based cuckoo's clock have like a really distorted, cheapish sound with like a lot of like noise on the background. The sound is pretty clear. It's not a paper speaker either, because sometimes in clocks like this you see it on the inside for the sound to be like a paper speaker. It's a bit better quality. So all in all, the internals look pretty good. So yeah, this I took a look at the movement, what they put inside of here. Looks pretty unobtainium. I did a quick check, couldn't find anything. Yes, I know there's supposed to be bigger batteries in here, but I have them on order. In the meantime, this will just do fine. So yeah, you can see I have a few controls here, volume, where the cuckoo is on and off, and then I think this is to probably set it up so that the sound matches what the watch hands indicates, because yeah, there's probably like just a contact at the hour mark, and if you desync it, then that's the only way to get it back into sync, I assume. So yeah, I'll get the movement out and I'll take you along, because this is going to be, from what I see, the hand jumping, it's purely mechanical problem. So because this is an unobtainium movement, it looks like it's either giving it a maintenance or nothing at all. So I'll take you along. So we removed everything from the front hands, the little nut holding it, part of the movement in place, and then to get the rest out I need to take the back off, because there's some screws under there holding the attachment for the birds. Okay, so now you get a better view of the mechanism. So now it looks like, it looks like this is glued on, because it's two separate things. Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, I need to undo those 4 screws now, I think. Basically, it's just a bunch of movements they put together, I assume. Yes. Going to undo this. And that. Okay. And then there's basically no way. So they put a connector here, but the rest is tied in directly to the batteries. Okay. So what's the purpose of that connector? Nothing basically. But I can get this movement out. So that's the movement I need to work on. I might need to get a screwdriver to pop that clip off. I push it back. Let's get a screwdriver. And we got that. So now, we have 4 wires. So 1 wire is going to be contact, like 2 are going to be contact, and then the 2 others are going to be power. So with contact, I mean the contact top of the hour. So I'm going to basically take this apart, put some oil on there and hope for the best. The thing is, you can already see now without any hands on there. I don't know if it shows the plastic. Yeah, you can see that the plastic, the center second gear is running. So that probably means that without the load of the hands, that it just works. But it is the typical Chinese movement. So I'm going to open it up, basically do maintenance, and then I'll hope that it is solved with that. But we'll see. So let's see if I can pop the case on this. Oh, Well, there goes one clip that just snapped off. Well, these come loose at least. Now, third one over here. Okay. Now let's get some oil. So let's lift some of the gears out and see where we can. Okay, this one, that one, that one. Okay, so I'm going to put some on here, bit on. We're just going to do some on the front here, spread itself out. I assume that one's the top. There's no gear there. There's no gear there either. Okay. So let's see, and then I'll do the things in the top casing as well. That one can go back in here. And now here, 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 and here. Now let's put it back together and hope for the best. Now I did check, this movement is available for purchase without wiring. So maybe there is a possibility that we can like buy another one and redo the wiring on that other one. If this doesn't work, so we've got options now. So let's see. Let's put washing back on. This didn't want to move earlier. And then I assume that if I just put a battery in here, it will work. Yep. It is moving. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and then yeah, if that keeps running great, then I think it's just time to put everything back together. So in the meantime, we are the next day, but movement is still working. So I was thinking, let's do an assembly time lapse. you saw me struggle a bit, and for some reason I had connected it up and I hadn't put the connectors in all the way, it seems, because the bird wasn't coming out, but it's coming out now. So let's try that again now. Because I wanted to put this hand on and then yes. So I think that was 6. Let's try it again. Yep, that was 7. So it's always a bit guesstimate of this now. Okie dokie. So let's put it on the wall to test it. And here we have it on the wall and working. You can also see the pendulum. Yeah, the pendulum kind of doesn't fit with the design, I think, but hey. So yeah, that's the design cuckoo's clock. Well, let's let the bird come out. You can kind of not really see it because it's black, but yeah, you get the idea. Also, I still haven't figured out what deal it is. It might be broken. Not really necessary, I think. So yes, it is working, so we are good. This will stay on my wall for a little bit and then go back to the client. So that was the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hope to see you in the next one.